Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am your friend Zakiuddin, and today I'm going to tell you how to cancel your eBay order. The one thing I need to tell you is that don't ever cancel your order from anywhere where you are selling your products. I said never, because this is worst thing for a seller to do. But there are some circumstances where you need to cancel your order due to some reasons. Maybe you have out of stock, or maybe you have maybe some issues with your product or with your customer, or sometimes your buyer need to cancel this order. So let's begin. I will tell you how to cancel your eBay order. Alright, there you are on my computer screen. Here you need to click on your orders, and then your products where you want the product where you want to cancel or send the refund. Here is a product I need to refund or I need to cancel it. Now click on here, purchase shipping label, where there is an arrow down here, and click on it. There is the option, the cancel your order. There it is, cancel order. Click on it, and then on the next window, there it is. You need to select a variation you want to cancel it. So here it is, buyer this. Don't ever click on this option, because buyer have his own shipping address, so don't use it. Here I need to select this option because buyer asked me to cancel this order, and here it is. I'm clicking on that option, and their refund amount you owe. I want to refund all amount he sent me. Now I click submit. If you have any issue, let's say there it is, your refund did not go through, please use different payment options and try again. If you ever receive this type of option, then you need to add a new payment option. Here it is, you need to click on it, and then it will show you some of the other payment options, like your credit card, credit or debit card, or there is maybe there is another payment options you received. So click on it, and then your order will be cancelled out.